What if you could create mind-blowing cinematic videos using AI? What if your favorite game scenes or fantasy worlds could be brought to life in ultra-realistic detail with the power of artificial intelligence? The good news is that it's not only possible, but also simpler than you'd expect. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Kling AI to create stunning lifelike videos that will make you wonder if AI can ever stop surprising us. Stick around, because by the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to make cinematic AI videos that rival Hollywood-quality productions. Why Kling AI? Before we dive in, you might wonder, why Kling AI out of all the AI video platforms? Well, after trying a ton of AI tools, Kling has consistently delivered the most realistic and visually stunning results. It takes AI-generated video production to a whole new level. But, like all powerful tools, to get the absolute best results, there are key steps and techniques you need to know. I'm going to walk you through everything, from the first image prompt to the final cinematic output. Step 1. Using the image-to-video tool in Kling AI. First things first, we log into Kling AI and head over to the video generator. There are two main options, text-to-video and image-to-video. While text-to-video might seem easier, to get those ultra-realistic results, image-to-video is the way to go. This tool allows you to upload image references, and Kling will animate them into a video that looks straight out of a blockbuster. Now, where do we get these reference images? I've generated mine using Midjourney, a top-tier AI image generator. For this tutorial, we're going with a theme inspired by Chinese mythology, particularly the legendary Monkey King Sun Wukong from the Black Myth Wukong game. Step 2. Generating reference images with Midjourney. Let's take a quick detour to create those reference images. Head over to Midjourney, where you can create images by entering a detailed prompt. For example, I'll ask for an ultra-realistic portrait of Sun Wukong. My goal here is to create a cinematic feel, so I'll include terms like detailed fur, realistic accessories, and muted cinematic colors. I also want it in a 16:9 aspect ratio to fit standard video formats. But we're not stopping at just one image. To add depth to our video, we need enemies. Let's generate an enemy, like a Chinese fox demon surrounded by flames. Using the same process, we make sure the images have the same visual style. How? By dragging our Wukong image into the prompt bar as a style reference. This ensures the entire video will look cohesive, as if it's part of the same cinematic universe. Here's a pro tip. When using style references in Midjourney, lower the style weight. This gives you more control over the output, rather than letting the reference image dominate the final look. A value of around 15 works well for maintaining style consistency without losing creative flexibility. Step 3. Upscaling the images for maximum quality. After generating your images in Midjourney, it's time to upscale them for the best video quality. While Midjourney provides a built-in upscaling feature, using a specialized tool like Magnific can deliver far superior results. Magnific is an AI upscaler that adds intricate textures and sharper details to your images, ensuring they look crisp and professional when animated. To upscale, simply upload your image into Magnific and set the scale factor. I recommend using a 2x upscale for a great balance between resolution and performance. Magnific works by enhancing small details, like the texture of fur, facial wrinkles, or even subtle reflections, adding depth to your characters and backgrounds. The result is a sharper, more detailed image that will make your final video look much more polished and lifelike. Higher resolution images will not only give your video a cleaner, more professional look, but also prevent the AI from distorting the characters during animation. Once you've upscaled all your reference images, download them to your computer, and you're ready to move on to animating them in Kling AI. Step 4. Animating the images in Kling AI. Now comes the exciting part, animating our characters. Go back to Kling AI's image-to-video tool and upload your upscaled images. Kling will use these images as the first frame of the video. In the prompt, describe what you want to happen in your video. For example, I might ask Kling to animate Wukong with an angry expression, and I'll specify static camera for minimal camera movement to keep things focused. You'll also want to fine-tune some parameters. There's a creativity slider that controls how much Kling AI sticks to your prompt versus how creative it gets. For realistic videos, I like to keep it in the middle for balance. Then, switch to professional mode, which, although a bit slower, retains the finer details and enhances the overall quality. Here's an important tip. Be careful with how much motion you request. Too much movement can distort your character's shapes. For best results, use terms like subtle motion or slow movements to keep the animation realistic without warping the character's appearance. Step 5. Dealing with AI quirks. As impressive as Kling AI is, no AI is perfect. Sometimes your animated video might not turn out exactly as you expected, and that's where patience and persistence come in. Kling AI works in an iterative process, meaning that every time you run the same prompt, the output might differ slightly. If your character's movement seems off or the animation feels too choppy, don't hesitate to tweak the prompt and try again. A common quirk is that Kling might generate too much motion, which can distort the shape of your characters, making them look unnatural. To avoid this, use specific terms in your prompt such as subtle movement or static camera to limit excessive motion and preserve your character's proportions. Sometimes, breaking down the animation into smaller, slower actions works better than asking for a lot of dynamic movement in one go. If the video still doesn't look right, consider lowering the creativity slider to ensure the AI sticks more closely to your prompt. With patience and a bit of trial and error, you'll be able to overcome these quirks and get the perfect result. Step 6. Upscaling the final video for cinematic quality. You've animated your video, but there's one last step to take it to the next level: upscaling the video resolution. This will give you that polished cinematic look. I recommend using Topaz AI Video Upscaler, a powerful tool that can upscale your video to 4K or even higher. It's particularly good at preserving fine details while increasing resolution. After downloading and installing Topaz, simply drag and drop your video files into the software. Choose your settings. I prefer 4K resolution and the Real Scaler AI model for the best results. If you're planning to edit the video further, make sure to export it in ProRes format for maximum quality. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to create jaw-droppingly realistic cinematic videos using Kling AI. Whether you're working on a personal project, a game trailer, or something entirely different, this process will give you the high-quality results you're after. Don't forget to experiment with different prompts and settings, because the beauty of AI is that it allows for endless creativity. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more AI tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.